Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video I wanted to show you a couple of names that I am eyeing for bearish opportunities, and then some of the nuanced aspects of technical trading that I really enjoy and will be factoring into these trades. So let's start off with Teladoc. Almost everything that I do, and especially in these free videos where I try to follow a repeatable theme, is going to be driven by squeezes. So the squeeze is one of the better directional signals that I have ever studied, and as we can see here in Teladoc, the signal has fired short today. And inside this movement, you'll notice the cross of the 8 and 21 exponential moving averages. So for me, that sets up the short as long as we are below that 21 EMA. Now, inside of this, you want to be aware of the 618 retracement, because movements down into this retracement can provide a bounce. And the way that I'm looking at this chart is that I don't know if the new low will be made before earnings or if it will take getting through the earnings report and then you break, right? We want to be mindful of this being a potential area of support. It could trade sideways through this, but the path of least resistance and what I think will eventually be the results should see us down here around 42. Now, if you can understand where we're at currently in that pattern, well, then you can understand roadblocks where it has already started to break. So in a similar way, you have the daily squeeze that is firing short. And then as we measure swing low to swing high, take a minute to put yourself in the shoes of someone shorting it on this day, right? It looks quite bearish, and you could imagine intraday, there's a pretty fair amount of weakness in there, but then is rebounded at the 618. You go 2 days further, and you do make a fresh low, but then recover into the end of the day. Here we sit some 6 sessions later, still holding the 618 retracement. So it is a level to be aware of, but what ultimately happens? Well, today was, the break. So that's what I think Teladoc will eventually do. Something similar in breaking the retracement and then moving down into extensions. And then I'll keep it short, just giving you 3 names with XHB as the final active signal. And taking this concept a little further, now this is a small swing, just the 60-34 into here. But of course, it's well through its retracements. It's almost made the new low. And if you feel like shorting it at these fresh lows is difficult, I could understand that argument, but look at this 130-minute chart. These squeezes tend to release energy, and unless there's some miraculous save that spikes it above 64, okay, above there I'm wrong, and I'll have to look at it. But everything below that tells me these signals fire short, and it's just one more place to be looking for bearish opportunity. So I hope you find the review and the levels helpful. You guys have good trading, and we'll see you at the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com. And I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.